Hey tech lovers! Ready to dive into the coolest tech innovations of 2024? This year's been off the chain with breakthroughs, seriously next level stuff. We're talking tech that's not just changing the game, it's rewriting the rulebook entirely. Today, we're exploring the top 5 game-changing technologies that are setting the stage for the future. Buckle up, because things are about to get futuristic. Let's get started. All right. Let's kick things off with something truly mind-blowing immersive 3D holograms. Remember those clunky projections from sci-fi movies? Yeah, scratch that. We're talking about life-sized, hyper-realistic holograms that you can interact with in real time. Imagine catching a live concert in your living room or attending a virtual meeting where you can high-five your colleagues. Surgeons can visualize complex procedures, architects can walk through virtual buildings, and educators can bring history to life. Companies are already developing holographic displays for everything from smartphones to conference rooms. We're on the cusp of a holographic revolution, and trust me, you're not going to want to miss this. This isn't some distant future, people. It's happening now. Next up, we're diving into the world of brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs. We're talking about technology that allows your brain to directly communicate with devices, essentially letting you control tech with your mind. Forget keyboards and touchscreens. The future is all about thought control. Imagine typing a message just by thinking about the words or controlling a prosthetic limb with your mind. BCIs have the potential to radically transform the lives of people with disabilities. Companies like Neuralink are developing incredibly sophisticated BCIs, and the potential applications are practically limitless. This is a game changer, folks, and it's only a matter of time before it becomes a part of our everyday lives. The advancements being made are mind-blowing, to say the least. Chapter 3. Autonomous drones. Delivery at the speed of flight. Let's be real. Waiting for deliveries can be a major buzzkill. But what if you could get that new gadget or those late-night snacks delivered in minutes, not hours? That's where autonomous delivery drones come in. We're talking about high-tech drones that can navigate complex urban environments, avoid obstacles, and deliver packages right to your doorstep, all without a human pilot. Think about it. Faster delivery times, reduced traffic congestion, and lower carbon emissions. The future of delivery is airborne, people, and it's looking pretty darn exciting from where I'm standing. This isn't just about convenience. It's about creating a more sustainable and efficient logistics system. Chapter 4. AI-powered creativity, unleashing your inner artist. All right, let's talk about the intersection of technology and creativity. We all know AI is great at crunching numbers and automating tasks. But what about creating art, writing music, or designing logos? That's where AI-powered creative assistants come in. These aren't just tools. They're like creative partners, helping you brainstorm ideas, overcome creative blocks, and bring your artistic visions to life. Imagine feeding your lyrics to an AI and having it compose a full musical arrangement, complete with instruments and harmonies. This technology is democratizing creativity, making it easier than ever for anyone to express themselves artistically, regardless of their skill level. From music production to graphic design to video editing, AI is changing the creative landscape in some seriously exciting ways. It's like having a team of virtual collaborators, always there to bounce ideas off of and push your creative boundaries. Chapter 5. Next-Gen Renewable Energy. Powering a Sustainable Future. Okay, let's get real for a second. Climate change is a major issue, and we need to find sustainable solutions fast. That's where next-gen renewable energy technologies come in. We're talking about breakthroughs in solar, wind, and energy storage technology that are making clean energy more efficient, affordable, and accessible than ever before. Home energy systems are becoming increasingly sophisticated with smart grids and AI-powered energy management systems that optimize energy consumption and reduce waste. Imagine a world where your home generates more energy than it consumes, where you can power your electric car with the sun's energy. The technology is here, the investment is flowing, and the momentum is building. It's time to ditch the dirty energy of the past and embrace a cleaner, more sustainable future. The future is now. All right, there you have it. The top 5 tech innovations of 2024 that are shaping the future. We've gone from stepping into immersive holograms to controlling devices with our minds, from receiving packages via drone to unleashing our creativity with AI, and powering our world with clean energy. It's been a wild ride through the cutting edge of tech. And honestly, I'm even more hyped about the future than I was before. Those are the top 5 tech innovations of 2024. Which technology excites you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this tech journey, hit that like button and subscribe for more futuristic updates. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more cutting-edge tech content and join us as we explore the innovations shaping our future. See you in the next video.